Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative, and in this documentation video, I'm going to show you how to install and give you an overview of the Divi Timer Pro. So this is our plugin with an auto restart, countdown, and an evergreen countdown timer. So you can check that out on our website. If you've already purchased that, let's go ahead and get it installed. So the first thing you would want to do is download it. So whichever marketplace you bought that from, go ahead and download it somewhere on your computer, and then go to your website, go to plugins, and click on add new. Then go ahead and click on upload plugin and go choose the plugin file. So click on the zip file and then click install now. All right, go ahead and activate the plugin. All right, that's all you have to do there. So let's go ahead and go to a page on our website. So I'm going to refresh here. All right, so let's go ahead and add the Divi Timer Pro. So just go here to add new for modules, and then you can find it in this list here, or you can go ahead and type something like timer. And there you go, Divi Timer Pro. Click on that, and there you go. And so by default, it's going to say waiting for a timer to start, and that's okay. We got to set it up. So let's go in here to the settings. Now, the first thing, well, of course, there's a title, so we could, type in the title here. But I'm not going to show you all the settings here. We're going to have a separate video for the Evergreen feature and a separate video for the auto restart feature. But first of all, you're going to want to choose one of these. So whichever one of these you choose, that opens up new options. So Evergreen would be when someone comes to your site and the timer starts right when they get there. And then you can choose what you want it to do when you're done, whether you want it to redirect, show a message, or hide it. And then you get to choose how long you want the timer to run. So let's say you want it to be 2 hours. So as soon as they land there, it's going to start counting down. Okay, so that's the Evergreen feature. Okay, you could also pick this auto restart feature. So it would be like recurring. So every time the timer ends, then it just restarts again. So you can pick a start time, start day, hours and minutes, and then how long. So let's say you want it to run 30 days or something. And then when that 30 days is up, when this timer ends, it'll just restart. It'll start back up at 30 again. So that's a quick overview of the Divi Timer Pro. You can also style it. So we have included with your purchase styling, if I can find it. Here you go. So here's 10 of them that we made. We've added CSS, and the cool part is you can use this exact same styling for the regular Divi timer or for hours. So there you go. It's kind of an extra bonus. Okay, so that's an overview of how to install the plugin and what it is. I hope you found this helpful. Let us know if you have any questions.